and once again you all welcome back in this video. This is my second video of grammar subject. So in this video children, as you know very well children, in first video I have started the new chapter. The chapter name is 12, chapter 12, and the name of the chapter what is happening now. In this chapter children, in previous video I have explained about your verbs and also some exercise question number A and B. But again children, again I am going to start and I will make you revise the concept adding verb with ing. So first you should know again the verb. What is verb? So verb is an action or doing words like eat, play, dance, cry are the verbs that shows the action whatever we do. Okay children, so like you can see, so in this video children I already have also explained the ing form of the verbs. It means if work that is happening right now, you all with verb you will add ing. Like you can see first which action is she showing. She is showing what? Dance. She is showing dance, but she is continuing, she is dancing right now. She is dancing, it means showing her she is dancing. So dance is a verb, but whenever you are going to represent the work is happening right now, you add ing. So dance to dancing. Like it is a verb, but whenever it is showing this work is happening right now, you add it with ing. Eating. Okay now children, so also children I have told the some rules adding with ing. Before adding ing I have told you the three rules. First I have told about that the word when a verb end with suffix ing, it is known as verb. Okay, the verb often show the action that is happening. Whenever you are going to add the word with ing, with verb ing you are going to add, that means the work will show the work is happening right now. Okay, like it is a verb, and whenever you are just now you are showing like it is a verb, and whenever you are going to add ing, so eat to eating. Like you can see in this picture, girl, this queen is sleeping. Sleep is a verb, we can say sleep, but this is continuing sleeping. So what will you see? What you will add? Sleep with ing. Sleep to sleeping. Okay, dance to dancing. So this is your rule number first. Like you can see in this picture, it is a verb, and whenever you are going to make in continuous form, you have added here ing. Eat plus ing, it will be make eating. It means this rat is continuing eating. Now after that, walk to walking. This girl is continuing walking. So walk is a verb with adding with ing. Okay, now I have told the second number rule. What I have spoken in the second number rule, when a verb end in e, if any verb that is showing the action, if it will be end with e, that whenever you are going to make it in ing form, that means continuous form, first you drop the e letter and then you add ing end of the verbs like make, making, game, gaming. Also some more example, writing. First you first remove the first letter e and then you add ing when that work is showing continuous. It means this work is happening right now. Like girl is writing, it means this girl is showing continuing. Okay, come to coming. E, first you drop the letter e and then you add ing. Shake to shaking. Race to racing. In this all verbs, that what it has done, first you all have to remove e and from in and then add ing to make it in continuous form. And I have told the third number, when a vowels like a, e, I, o, u come before the ending consonant, as you can see in this picture, come before, when a verb come before, when a vowels come before ending consonant, like n is ending consonant and come before it comes the vowel. So while making the in continuous form, you all have to add, first you add just the consonant, the last letter consonant is repeated, it will be, you have to repeat, then you add repeat or double, do the double, then you add ing while you are going to make in continuous form. It means the work, it will be whenever it will be, so the work is happening right now. Like run to running, chop to chopping. So let us see the some more. Like run, I have told put Put is a verb, last letter T is consonant and it comes before U is a vowel. You all have to follow the third rule, that means the last letter you just make it double, means PUT plus T and then you add ing, PUTTING. Same way, skip to skipping, mop to mopping and tap to tapping. It means double the last letter then add ing. Okay children, so let us do the some work, and I have told the third three rules and you all have understood very nicely. So in copy, today you all are going to do the work related to this topic in your copy. And what is the work? Like exercises here, fill in the blanks with adding ing. It means verb it will be given in the bracket. Means fill in the blanks with adding ing to the words given in bracket. It means verb it will be given, action word will be given, and you all have to make it in continuous form. Okay, and by adding ing. Let us start. Like first it has written, my teacher is dash the class. My teacher is dash the class, and in bracket it has given the action word is take. You all know a take is a action word, means this one you with take with verb you have to add ing. It means whenever you are showing to this work is happening right now, like take is a verb. So first what you have to do, and I have told you the second number rule. What was the in second number rule? While if verb it is ending with e, and while you are going to make it in continuous form, first you drop the e letter and then you add ing. So what you all will write? Taking, TAKING. It means e you have to remove it from the verb Okay, so the my teacher is taking class. So TAKING, taking. Okay children, now let us see the next question, next example. Next one is here, my mother is dash vegetable, and here in bracket it has given the verb cook. Cook is a verb. Whenever you are going to show the action is happening right now, you all have to add cook plus ing. So cook to cooking. My mother is cooking vegetable. COOKING, cooking. My mother is cooking vegetable. Understood children? It means this work is happening right now. After that, the girl is dash. The girl is like given, the girl is dash a picture. The girl is dash a picture, and in bracket given paint. Paint is a verb, but only it is here verb, and this by the help of this verb you have to make the sentence in continuous form. Okay, so with paint you all have to add ing. Paint plus ing, it will be make painting. The girl is painting, PAINT plus ing, painting a picture. It means this girl is painting right now. It is in continuous form. This work is happening in continue. It means this work is continue. She is doing. So the girl is painting a picture. Now after that, they are dash a tree. They are dash a tree. It should be here small. They are dash a tree. So build is a action. That is, it means it is a verb, build. So with build you are going to make this sentence in continuous form. So what you have to do, you know very well. Build with, you will add ing. BUILD plus ing, building. They are building a tree. BUILDING, building. They are building a tree. Now let us see the next question. The dog is dash on the street. On the street, and here is run. Run is a verb. So what you are going to, this sentence you are going to make it in continuous form. So run is a verb. Whenever you will make the in continuous form, so here it should be, must be add here run with ing. But you also always remember in your mind the rule, run is a verb. But what I have told about the verb, if rule number third, I have told, if last letter is consonant and it before it comes vowel, so what you have to do, the last letter make it double and then you add ing. Like run, Last letter make it doubled or repeat, and then you add ing while you are going to make it in continuous form. So dog is running on the street, and spelling of running RUNN, and I have told children rule of the making, how I have written in continuous form, RUNNING, running. Okay children, now after that let us see. Shruti is dash her cloth. Shruti is dash her cloth, and here is written dry in bracket, and already it has given ki just make it in continuous form by adding ing. So dry is a verb. While you are going to make it in continuous form, you just add here dry with ing. Dry to drying, DRYING, drying. Shruti is drying her cloth. Shruti is drying her clothes. Okay children, so these are the work, these are the questions that you all have to complete in your copy by adding ing with given action words. Okay children, so I hope you all have understood very nicely children. Once again you all will read the chapter 12, and also you all will do the work in copy whatever I have explained in this video. Okay everyone, so thank you and have a good day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you and bye bye.